HILONG is a global oilfield services provider with extensive international experience in the drilling industry. With operations spanning 11 countries, including Pakistan, HILONG brings world-class expertise to every project. Since 2013, HILONG Oil Service and Engineering Pakistan Private Limited has been a leading player in Pakistan's energy sector, delivering high-quality solutions to some of the country's most critical oil and gas operations. In 2022, HILONG proudly partnered with Oil and Gas Development Company and Energies, OGDC, Pakistan's leading exploration and production company. The 3-year contract awarded for drilling sites mud pits restoration and rehabilitation services.
This project focuses on critical environmental remediation aimed at restoring drilling site mud pits that pose significant ecological risks due to hazardous waste, contaminated drill cuttings, and chemical effluents. This project follows a rigorous standard operating procedure, beginning with a meticulous diagnosis during the pre-sampling and analysis phase.
Joint teams from HILONG and OGDC collect water, soil, and drill cuttings, which are then immediately dispatched to an EPA-approved third-party laboratory.
The lab conducts a comprehensive analysis to test for a wide range of parameters, including pH, heavy metals, and oil and grease content, in strict compliance with National Environmental Quality Standards and LSO 29B guidelines. This analytical data serves as a precise blueprint of the contaminants and is reviewed by OGDC's QHSE team to officially classify the waste as either hazardous or non-hazardous, initiating the next phase of the restoration process.
With OGDC's final approval, a comprehensive work plan is developed.
This strategic roadmap outlines all the machinery and materials required for the solidification process, ensuring maximum efficiency, safety, and environmental compliance. At the core of the operation is the solidification and treatment phase, where technical experts are deployed with dewatering units, bowsers, dumpers, excavators, and other earth-moving equipment to manage the hazardous waste. Contaminated water is carefully treated with a predetermined ratio of chemicals. After meeting NEQS parameters, it is sprinkled within the fence, while hazardous drill cuttings are blended with specialized solidification chemicals in a controlled process. This is not a temporary fix. It is a thorough chemical treatment designed to stabilize, detoxify, and render the contaminants inert. To complete the restoration, a thick layer of native, uncontaminated soil is spread over the treated area, returning the land as closely as possible to its original natural state. The final phase, completion and reporting, begins with securing a no-objection certificate from the local landowner, the true custodian of the land, as confirmation of their satisfaction with the rehabilitation work. Subsequently, a final soil sample is collected and sent to the same EPA-approved laboratory to scientifically verify that the site has been fully restored and now complies with all relevant environmental standards.
Despite numerous operational and logistical challenges, including harsh weather, difficult terrain, and security concerns, HILONG's teams remained resilient and committed to fulfilling all contractual obligations.
We acknowledge that overcoming these challenges would not have been possible without OGDC's unwavering support and close coordination throughout the project. Additionally, HILONG actively engaged local communities by hiring local labor and machinery, which not only accelerated project execution, but also contributed to the socio-economic uplift of the region. The results of this collaboration have been substantial. To date, HILONG has successfully remediated 121 well sites, collected approximately 430 samples, and treated 250,000 barrels of contaminated water. The team has processed over 100,000 cubic meters of waste cuttings, restored more than 2 million square feet of land, which is equivalent to approximately 30 football fields, and generated over 500 local jobs. Most notably, the project was executed with 0 incidents, no first aid cases, no lost time injuries, and no environmental events, a true testament to HILONG's unwavering commitment to safety, quality, and environmental protection. Throughout the contract, HILONG maintained consistent engagement with OGDC by providing timely updates and delivering quarterly service quality presentations reflecting their commitment to transparency and performance excellence. In line with its contractual commitments, HILONG also organized multiple training sessions for OGDC's officials over the past 2 years, which focused on key environmental and sustainability topics. The robust partnership between OGDC and HILONG serves as a powerful narrative of shared vision and collective achievement. By demonstrating unshakable confidence in HILONG's unmatched dedication, OGDC has fostered a collaboration that has reaped rewards far beyond corporate goals. It's a story of how professional grit and a deep commitment to ESG principles can turn barren, hazardous landscapes into verdant farmlands. This achievement is a compelling example of how professional dedication and a commitment to environmental stewardship can cultivate not just profit, but a lasting legacy of growth for the community and generations to come.